Hey y'all, come on in. I was gonna teach you how to make brown rice. It's so simple. A lot easier than you probably imagine that it would be. It's not more complicated than white rice, but it's way healthier. It's 1 to 2. 1 cup of brown rice, 2 cups of water. Today I have some homemade broth that I had in the freezer. Look how beautiful this is. So I'm actually using my broth in place for my water. I'm making a lot of rice since I'm making some rice bowls. So I have 6 cups of broth, and then I'll add 3 cups of rice once it's brought to a boil. All right, so our broth has come to a boil. I'm gonna add our 3 cups of brown rice. Then I'm gonna let it come to a boil one more time and turn it down to a simmer for 45 minutes or so. You'll have to check on it. It's never a perfect science, but it's about 45 minutes. I like to pre-salt it as it's cooking, but I don't add my butter while it's cooking. I usually add my butter after it's done cooking, and when I'm fluffing the rice, that's when I like to add the butter. All right, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm gonna show you what the rice looks like when it's completely done cooking. Periodically throughout this process, what I've done, I've lifted the lid and I get a spoon, and then I'll move the rice over and look down inside, and if there's water still left down there, then you know you have a little bit longer to cook. There's no water left in here. So now I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, gently mix it. If you mix it too much, it's gonna get real starchy and gummy, stick together, but just a light mixing, it should still stay individual pieces of rice, okay?